Business boss you up, now you can buy 10 of these. Shit, whatever I say, bring your city, now it's mine for however long I stay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a hair and makeup look. I don't know exactly what I want to do today, but I do want to do something. I went to the beauty supply store and I bought a half wig because you know these headband wigs are popping right now. So I got me a headband wig. I believe this was only $10. This is by Bobbi Boss. This is a full cap. This is in the style Brandy and I have it in the color BA6713. So it's an oldie, but hopefully it's a goodie. And then while I was at the beauty supply store, my son has spotted these lashes. He picked out these for me to wear, but I had picked out these other ones and I saw that they were $2.99 and then the quality of them looks really nice, y'all. So I picked these out and he picked out these. So yeah, if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, check me out and subscribe. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, so I already have on a half wig right now. Well, it's not a half wig. This is a headband wig. So I'm about to go ahead and take it down. Check out my nails too that I did over the weekend. And if you're interested in this headband wig, I will have it linked up there so you guys can see it. This is a very affordable wig. I just love this. I always wear this wig. I'm going to take that off. So this is the color. I don't know how this is going to look, but yeah. I didn't even see the color fully, but I saw blonde, I saw brown in here, and I saw golden. And I was like, $10, let's try it. So I didn't even show y'all the stock card. I'm so sorry, y'all. So this right here is the stock card. See, I'm already acting janky. So this is the stock card. Then I do the back. And I use the back comb. But I ain't got no hair in the back. But sometimes it always seems to grip on something. That's funny. So here it is. Alright, so the next scene, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because I want to listen to my music. I want to get myself in the mood if I do go out with this hair. But I am planning on using this palette. I think it fits along the line with this hair. So yeah.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet hands on your fly, 'cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and I know you're bored. How does...
Hey y'all, so I am back with the final look. Girl, check me out. Popping. This is how the eye look turned out. I like it, so I'm impressed. I didn't think I was gonna get the wig to look how I want it to look, but I'm feeling it. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a gray white sweater. This. So yeah, that is all, y'all. I'm about to probably finish my drink and then head out. So I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.
Come my way before they even ready. They say I got the skills. They say I got the look. I got so many bros, they putting money on my books. Hey, they mad at them niggas. How you?
It's on wish me well. You used to give me hell. Give me spin ain't that's a thank you when it's free to be real. Huh? Please don't come and tell me by no story that you heard. This is not just a me.